Hello, welcome to today's tech tip video. Today I'm going to share with you how to use the word finder feature when you are using the TouchChat app. So right now I'm on the 60 basic word power vocabulary. You go to the keyboard page and right down here you have the find word button. So you touch that and you can type in the word that you want. I'm going to type in candy. If the word is not in the vocabulary, the find button will be grayed out, and that lets you know the word isn't saved within the vocabulary. But this word is. I'll hit find, and it shows me the variety of ways that I can find it. I'm going to go with the fastest way, the fewest hits. Then it grays out all of the options and gives you that little visual. Groups, food,
candy.
Let me show you what it looks like on another vocabulary that we often use. Word Power 108 with keyboard. Again, it's under the keyboard, but you hit Shift. Find a word. And let's see. Find. And then again, it'll give you those options. Hope you find that helpful.